Another of the same install. Oh, what the? Why is that all the way over here? This one looks like it's a different. Oh, these are different. That's interesting. Oh, interesting. These are unlocked. Okay. Oh, what the? Send you off. I have to make a phone call. What the heck? What is this setup? That's weird. It's an interesting button. That does not feel like monitor. It's like TR except it's different. Oh my god, I saw these triangle room numbers. Sounds like it's one of these. Yeah, that's weird. They have one over here and then the two are next to each other. Sounds like it's this one. I want to get the intermediate, so ooh, it's got classic level. Got a 31. Elevator inspection, we'll never know who maintains this. Really bouncy when it just travels on the floor. And we lost it. Oh, one's here. Might be the right one. Oh wait, why is it? Oh, it doesn't even light up. One's here. Probably this one. Yep. Janice door sensors. Oh, hold on. Okay, it's probably gonna take my down call. Yep. I'm surprised these aren't carded. We'll go to the basement and then we'll go to one. Hope we're stopping anyway. Oh. Go to one?
Yes, please.
And we're stopping again. 2019. Interesting buttons. Oh.
Hey. Sí.
Okay.
Sorry.
Are you all dry?
Thank you.
Oh. Down we go. There you go. Look at the cab view. Very nice. I like the wood interiors. This is at the Marriott something. I forget the actual name of the place. Of course, you got your very interesting. These are very interesting monitor buttons. I wonder what's down here. Yeah, so, and just a bunch of basic things. We'll go back up to one now. These are very interesting buttons. I've never seen these. Oh, it's got a 13th floor too. Look at that. Okay, that'll do. Sorry. Very interesting setup. Sorry. Okay, that's it.